So I went swimming yesterday, and obviously I wet my hair, came home, washed it, and now this is it the next day. And when I started off yesterday, my hair was still a pretty electric blue, and now the next day when it's completely dry, it is like pretty like aquamarine. So if I were to go swimming every single day for the next 5 days, it fade out, and then come home and wash it, how much could my hair fade? It's our first swim! She doesn't like it. Well, that was a short and lonely swim. Little Miss Salami decided that she doesn't like water. I kind of guessed, because Chihuahuas don't like water. So far, my hair still very much looks blue, which is understandable. Also, while we're here, I'm going to be addressing one of my most frequently asked things on my videos that has nothing to do with what I normally do. Stella, how are your armpits so bright? I receive that comment so frequently. Look at my armpits. I'm kind of proud of them. The reason why I have such bright armpit, or not like a shadowed effect of an armpit, is because I don't have hair growing in my armpit. The reason that someone's armpits would be like darker is because you have the hair starting to come out. Like if you shave, like a day later, it's gonna look kind of a bit darker because the hair is starting to grow. In my case, the hair doesn't grow. The reason for that is because I use IPL, the Kenzie IPL handset, intense pulse light therapy. A wide, broad light essentially just prevents it from growing back, and I've been doing that for quite a few months now. And I do it like every 2 weeks now. Can't do it every week. I just do it every 2 weeks. I mean, look, I have 3 hairs over here because I apparently missed doing that. But like after 3 months, I literally can say that I have no hair growing, and essentially I have really naked like armpits, because there isn't even like when you shave or even when you wax, you start to see the little follicle of the hair just start to like poke through, obviously, the skin, but that doesn't happen if there's no hair to grow. I do it there, I do it on my bikini area, and I do it on my legs as well. I don't know if this is TMI or not. Normally you start to see the little razor burns. They're like red little pimple thingies that come up, and mine just there's very little left of hair because I zap it. Obviously, if you have hair on other parts of your body, back, you have chest hair, you can do it even there. It's really incredible. It's efficient, it's amazing. So yeah, I'm waiting for my hair to dry. So I am gonna go ahead and IPL myself. Look at this wire though, I like it. I shaved yesterday. It says it's best to shave like a day or so before you go in with this, so I need to get my 3 hairs. Also, if anyone's asking if it's painful, it's not, it's heat, that's it. But it doesn't burn, it's just like, it's warm. Alright, I'm gonna say that that's done. Do you mind? Those are my pants. Stop chewing my pants. Teeny line. Alright. Great. Anyways, if you also want to get your own Kenzie or check it out or whatever, or just try it out because it's a really fun product, I'm gonna link it down below, or else you can go directly to kenzie.com, check it out, give it a whirl, read the reviews. It's an incredible product if you want to try an alternative hair removal thing. I'm gonna link it down below. You're also welcome to use my coupon code Cini50 for $50 off your purchase in the event that you do wish to buy it. I do highly recommend you at least check it out, because it's a really fun alternative to in-salon treatments, which are a lot more costly, or waxing, which is a lot more painful, or shaving, which is tedious as heck and does leave a shadow. Look, I have no shadow. It's just, you know, there. Other than that, enjoy your hair-free experience. Anyways, yeah, okay, it'll be below there. Okay, so it's the next day. Here's how my hair is looking after yesterday's swim. I'm not gonna lie, I think it does look more faded. This part that was a pretty like kind of vibrant red, pink, purple is now kind of just muted. And even the blue definitely looks even more like denim now, which means that there's a lot less blue in it. I'm gonna go for a swim because it's boiling hot, and then I'll wash it again and do the same thing for 4 more times, 3 more times, losing count. Anyways, this is today's fit. I'm gonna try put on new bathing suits every single swim. So anyways, I like it. Stop it! No, 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 no wire. Today's swim location is this pretty little bit. I'd like to say it's faded more. It's definitely looking lighter in color, especially the blue bits, but you know. But anyways, now I have to go home and wash it. All right, babies, we're here. This is the hair the next day. It is most definitely fading. At this point, this is looking almost like a very, very faded out red. I don't even know how that color got in. This is looking super like, isn't really fading that much, actually. But it's really pretty. The whole thing is very much fading slowly, slowly. So we're gonna continue swimming, wetting, showering. Yeah. Kiss, Gloria. Go for a night swim. Since you're going to be asking, this is what I'm gonna use to wash my hair. Obviously, I'm going to stay away from like color maintaining shampoos, conditioners, stuff like that. Anything that is there to maintain color or deposit color back into it, I'm gonna stay away from it. I'm just gonna stick to Olaplex probably for the entire week so that at least I maintain some nourishment. There's not much color fading. There's like a bit of blue, but usually it's a lot more intense. So after my night swim, I washed it and everything, and it is looking so much more faded. Really, really, really pretty like coral color that I'm not even sure where it came from, but I like it. The blue is fading. So if you're wondering, I'm washing my hair every day. My hair feels freaking good. Like, It's looking so much lighter, like it's wet at the moment and it looks so good. So in case you're wondering, which you probably are, these are the 3 products that I'm using consecutively and consistently after each wash. Schwarzkopf Peptide Repair Spray Conditioner. This is the Olaplex number 6. The Coco Like a Virgin Miracle Hair Elixir. It's a bit thicker than a regular serum and it makes my hair feel and smell divine. So these are the 3 things that I'm using for my leave-in hair treatments. And now we let it completely air dry. So I'm gonna head to bed and see you guys tomorrow. Day 5. This is how much my hair has faded. It's gray. It's faded a lot. My hair is no longer showing any purple on the top over here, and this was quite a vibrant blue, so now it's, you know, it's faded a lot. The single color that has not faded so much is purple. So if you want a fade-proof color, go purple. Apparently it bonds to the hair. I was going to do one last swim wash sequence. I realized that there was only so much that could really fade out. So I'm gonna go in with color remover. I've actually used this multiple times. I have multiple videos. Part A, part B, you mix them together, you add a tiny bit of your desired developer, leave it on. I'm also going to apply it all on wet hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think give my hair a quick shampoo, and then I'm gonna just literally apply it like conditioner. Also, don't come at me by saying that I'm technically not following the rules to my own experiment, because it technically will still fade out my color, but by color removing it, by eliminating it. But anyways, okay, boom, baby. I'm going to give myself a dandruff shampoo. Anti-dandruff shampoo actually has a quality in it that extracts hair color. In fact, if you want to maintain your hair color, hairdressers might tell you to avoid anti-dandruff shampoos because it strips out hair color. So in a final effort of fading, I'm gonna use this. I'll be right back. I should wash this. I'm gonna go in with 2 packets of part A and part B, so I have double the amount, and for each
one that you use, you're meant to go in with 60 grams of developer. So in this case, I'm gonna go in with 120. Mention I'm going to be using 7 volume. This is the most diluted, low damaging developer that I own. It smells quite lovely, actually. I look like a multicolored, desaturated peacock. Like a peacock that's been out in the sun for too long. I'm gonna start from the back and work my way to the front. Because this is a different color from the rest of it, and it also I think is lighter, this will need the least amount of time, while this bit with all the purple, first of all, I have no idea what they're gonna be like. I think they're gonna turn out orange, I'll be honest. They need more time. I'm a bit nervous, not gonna lie. Last I remember though, this thing works pretty fast, so I'll have to be pretty fast. Slap it on, comb out, move on. If you're wondering why I didn't just go in straight with this, like I've done multiple times before, I did genuinely want to see how quickly I could fade out my hair without the use of any wild products. Not to mention that while this isn't a very damaging product, it is very slightly damaging, and I wanted to get the bulk of the dye out of my hair so that this will have to do the least amount of work possible. This is already blonde. Holy shit. Yeah, that's why I'm doing it this route. That's it. I got my ear. It started. Look at this. This isn't white because of the product. That's white because it's working. So that took me around 20-ish minutes to apply. It's already pretty much blonde. So I'm gonna leave it on for another 5 minutes, basically until this evens out, until it's no longer looking kind of mushroomy. But otherwise, we are looking cool. Also, if you're wondering how my blue brows are turning out, this is them now. Because I wash my face obviously so often because it's summer and cleansers and whatnot, it does fade quite quickly, but they're still darker than they would have been without any dyes, which I'm super grateful for. All right, I'm gonna say we are fully evened out, I think. No more mushroomy looking things. It's just looking pretty golden blonde, which is amazing. I'm gonna completely rinse this off, shampoo, condition the daylights out of it, and then see. The problem is I don't know if this needs a toner. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash it off, but I'm not going to add conditioner on it or any sort of a toner. I'm just gonna towel dry it and then apply anything over here once I decide what color I feel like. Great, I'll be right back. This little baby started crying, so now I have to carry her like a little child. I will say it again, hair without conditioner feels disgusting. What? Wow, this is... Let's go find an appropriate conditioner. The base of the conditioner that I'm going to be using is this. Celeb Luxury's BondFix Strengthening Conditioner. This is going to be the base for everything. Then I found these two, baby. Ruby Red Color Conditioner. Now, if I were to go in with just this is going to get my hair completely red. So I'm going to go in with like a drop of this. I'm also going to add the Shrine Drop It dye in peach and see how it goes. Starting with this. Wow, that is such a weird consistency for a conditioner. Like 3 drops of the peach, 1 drop of the red. It's red. Let's go to town, baby. All of this is untoned. Look at my job. This is my full-time job. Let's go to the end. Okay, I think this is the best we're gonna get it. It is looking beautifully coral. It's still gonna be so patchy, but I'm going to close my eye to it. Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off along with my hands, although they're less stained than I would have thought. Then come back and style it with you guys. I'm gonna get a head start on my makeup because I want to create something fun. I got these 2 new Bratz palettes by Revolution. They look really freaking cute, so I want to use them. Let's do that.
I hate that too. Amelia, you don't have to.
Dying of the plague. Reunited with my sister in your tummy, okay?
No. They said he was out of surgery.
Good test.
Your body still has to do the real work.
To help. What do we got?
Than any of us.
Okay.
Is this possible?
Hold on, hold on.
The end. That's what you want?
Yes. Chronic abscess.
I wouldn't want to leave either.
At the level 9 on zombie apocalypse.
Well, by eventually you mean before the year's out, then yeah. I figured I'd cut to the chase. Whatever that was, I guess.
Okay, but we can't do it again.
5 days ago, Stella 100% was not anticipating 5 days later, Stella. In fact, this is wild. This is such a wild conclusion to this video. But here we are. Oh my god! My hair still feels amazing. I can run my hands through it like butter. Oh, can you run your hands through butter? Look at this! You know, this is how we ended up. So I love anything orangey, pinky. I think it's gorgeous, even makeup-wise, it's stunning. So this was the entire video. This entire video was extremely experimental, which is why I did not put an end goal to it. I genuinely just wanted to see what it was like to try fade out your hair completely. The first steps were important to this last one. So doing the initial steps of washing it every single day and going through with the whole trying to get rid of the most pigment out of it first definitely helped it speed it along, which was working better for me because that meant that it stayed on my hair less damage, better results overall. I haven't seen my roots in a while. Look at this bit here. Oh, I'm happy. I'm such a happy person right now. I am going to be listing the entire product list down below, even though I use most of the products of the entire video today. On the off chance that you want to give it a go, you still want to do the exact same thing. Obviously do this at your own risk. Skip some steps, do more steps if you want, do whatever. It's an experimental thing, but it worked. It's a fun one. One last shout out to my Kenzie. I'll be linking my special link down below, or you can just go directly to kenzie.com, as well as my special coupon code Cini50 for $50 off your purchase. Give it a whirl, try it out, see if it works for you. It works for me, genuinely. I mean, you can see the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.